Welcome back, everyone. We are going to do a little update on that new construction in Eisenhower Park. If you remember last time, we talked all about the backfill, and today is all about framing. Let's go. Today we are at frame. we have made a lot of progress since the last video. Here, you really want to make sure when we're at this stage that the floor plan looks exactly how you want it. Here we can still move maybe a wall or two, 6 inches, but nothing too major, right? So this is really going to be the bones of the house. You want to make sure that the framing here is super straight, and that is going to play a big role in the final product of the home. So where the stairs are going to be. There's the window all down to the basement. Structure to the back of the house. If you're wanting to get inside a brand new home or build your own, let's talk about how we can make your dreams come true. Head over to brokergayane.com and fill out that client inquiry form to be contacted ASAP.